So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you're going to find your Windows drive. It's going to be a drive with the Windows logo on it. You're going to take note of the letter that's on it. So for me, it's going to be the C drive. For you, most likely, it's also going to be the C drive. However, it might be something else. So the drive with the Windows logo, take note of the letter. For me, it's going to be C. So now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in CHKDSK space. And now your drive letter that you took note of earlier. For me, it's going to be C. Then you're going to put a colon at the end of that drive letter. Now you're going to do space /F and click on enter. Wait for this to load. And then once this comes up, you're going to type in Y. And then click on enter again. And then once you've done that, you just want to restart your computer. But keep on watching the video. Restart your computer, keep on watching. And now as your computer is turning on again, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load in. It's now going to start running the scan for you. Once the scan is completed, it will then take you back to Windows. If it detects any errors, it will fix it for you. That's how you do it.